Jason had made some aloo methi, so we had some remaining and we don't want it to go to waste. So what we are going to do today is we are going to make aloo parathas this morning. For that we've taken the cooked potatoes from last night and we'll mash them up a little so that they easily get stuffed into the flour dough. There you go, the potatoes is nice and mashed up. Now we'll add some salt and some chili powder and then we'll start the stuffing. Just a tinge of chili powder, not too much, and a dash of salt, not too much once again. Since we had potatoes left over from last night, that's the reason why we're using. Otherwise you can take fresh potatoes, put them in a pressure cooker, cook them well, and cook them soft, and then after that you can mash it with chili powder. You can also put onions, you can put coriander leaves, you can put some green chilies and some amchur as well. Here we already have some flour dough rolled out. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it like a nice and hollow well, like this, as you can see, moving from inside outside towards outside, and it's become a nice and evenly spread stuffing well. Into this we are going to place the potato stuffing somewhat like this. Take out the excess and then we are going to roll it. We are going to just start bringing the flour inside and making it into a ball. We are going to close it like this. Here you can see it's closed. You're going to roll it out like this so that it evenly distributes. I'm going to show you another one so that it becomes nice and clear to you. Like this you're going to just spread it evenly with your fingers. You're going to pull the dough a little bit apart. You're going to place it like this. Take the stuffing, place it inside, and then close the dough from each side. Form it into one ball once again. There you go. And then we are going to evenly distribute the stuffing inside the dough. We got some dry atta or flour. This will help us roll the parathas out evenly. We got the rolling pin. We're just going to evenly distribute it from inside outside, inwards outside. You can see this is forming a nice and round paratha. There you go, the paratha is nice and evenly rolled out. Now we are going to start the frying. Guys, this dish is extremely popular up North India, and especially in Punjab. This is a staple food. Early morning they love to have their aloo parathas and lassi and those pickles at the side. On a hot pan, just place the paratha like that and let it cook on each side. Then we are going to apply some oil and make it into a nice and juicy paratha. You know that once a roti or paratha is cooking, you'll get to know it, that when to turn it. When you start seeing these small little bubbles at the side begin to form, that means the roti is well done. So we need to change it or turn it on the other side. There you go. You can see it's nice and brown on one side. Now we're going to apply the oil. Apply the oil evenly and then spread it out so that it's evenly coated with oil, so that the paratha comes nice and crispy on each side. There you can see nice and shiny and brown paratha frying on each side.
Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified when we upload a new video. Thank you.